The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. It is Tuesday, April 7th. And the markets keep beating on. Chris, good morning. Getting a small pullback now, but morning, Jacques, Randy, Sue, Tuyen. Guys, good morning. Very good morning. Pretty good day yesterday. Let's see if we can keep her going. Nice start to the week. Right now, bots are all in shorts. Mark, good morning. Guys, again, I am still running just the 3 minutes across the board. Nothing's changed, at least for me. NASDAQ just had a short. First target hit, almost second target. ES had a short, both targets hit. Gold on the 3 minute had a short, almost within a few ticks of the second target. And crude had a short and got both targets. So we're in shorts. We'll see what we get. I don't anticipate we're going to stay here, but who knows? We've got a ways. I mean, from a technical aspect, on the ES, that 2800 level would be a 50% retracement. Maybe we get there, maybe we don't. Just looking around on the ES, guys, overnight we've got about 2100 net buyers. The NASDAQ has 1150 sellers currently in gold. And crude has small sellers, 165. We do have API data today at 4:30. We won't be here for that. We, of course, have crude inventories tomorrow. Just taking a look very quickly at news. Nothing. Redbook retail sales, no interest. Jolt's job openings at 10. Really nothing of any consequence today. Excuse me. Take a quick look at the VIX. VIX cash is down another 2% today at 44.27. VIX futures about the same, down 2% at 40.98. Let me read the disclaimer. And we will go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. We're good to go. Anybody have any questions? Dollar index hit that 100 level and bounced. Gold, if you guys paid attention to gold overnight, we hit my target at 1725. Gold is trying to get a bid in here. Maybe back up to 04, 05. I'm just doing a chart here, guys. So gold looks like it can pop back up to 06. Maybe, yeah, 06. If it breaks down below 98.8 or so, 1698.8 area, it could retrace back to 90. ES has support currently in that 13 to 20 zone. We just popped out of it. If you guys are here in trial, good morning. Here's your 377. There's 09. If this breaks here, it hit the last area of resistance, which was 9.5. We got to 9.6. Okay, Dave. So that's the this is the first trade after 8 a.m., which I think has been correct the last, 18 out of 19 days, 19 out of 20 days, something like that. All right, fellas. Gold. Indices turning south. Russell is. NASDAQ, ES finds small support at 1750.
Order filled.
Okay, gold is long on the 3-minute. There's gold on the 3-minute. We may bounce back up off 07.4. NASDAQ's coming down to that 34 area. Anybody short the NASDAQ? From that break, guys, at 47.5. Winner, winner again. And on the 3-minute, we came, what, 1 tick from target? Maybe 2? There it is. Hit target to the tick. Didn't fill it. It did hit it, fellas.
Target filled.
There you go. First target, both 377 and the 3-minute. Anybody that took that trade from around the 03 level that I gave it on order flow, if you're still in it, you should be one and done. You're still in it, Jacques? 16.5 is what I have as a final target, which is where I put this target out. 16.5. Okay. Anybody still long? Karen, anybody that was in this trade from my order flow trade? Okay, Ray is. Okay. I think we can get to 16.5. Okay. Best stop now. Oh 08.1, maybe 08 half. 08 half. Yeah, Rick, everything I do is in Eastern. Anybody that lives in Central or Pacific time or any other area of the world, no bearing on me. Yes, everything is Eastern. Everything I do, every appointment I set, every comment I make about time, it's Eastern. The world runs on Eastern Standard Time, at least as far as I'm concerned. That was supposed to be funny. Central time is a lagging indicator. Exactly. All right, so you got anybody that may have taken silver. It hit 17 or 15,720. You got that target. Now, if you break out above maybe 2 ticks higher, your next target becomes 780. 780. I'll move these off the screen. You can see where my stops are. 8.5. Okay? 8.5. They may be too tight to stay in the trade and get second target, but that's how I see it. Now the bot would have them at 6.1 and 6.6. ES should get up to 23, 24 from here. Maybe back up to 26. Got to get back through VWAP. Again, for you guys with the bot, you can plot this indicator on your bot. I don't because I have them on the screen in front of me. But you can plot that indicator, which is basically VWAP, which is VWAP, and 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations. For those of you that do not have it, I will gladly send it to you. Most of you should have it. So the bot is, the 3 minute is already up 700 from the first trade. This is the second trade. That's our support, that 02 area. Now if it sells down through, and the 377 got first target, and if it sells down through 99, it's going to flush down to 91. If it comes down through 99, it's over but the crying. There goes the ES going to 37, 38, fellas. If anybody's wanting the ES prior to the open, indices are in long. I just don't have, on the bots, I just don't have them on. NASDAQ ES is almost a first target at 34.25. And the Russell would not have filled a long. It went long against a white background. Gold got first target on the 3 minute. It's gone break even +1. Another winner. This could come down to that 91, fellas. Anybody still in gold?
Stop, Phil.
Anybody still in gold? Okay, Barbara. Guys, this is a huge trade. Huge. Getting divergence on the 1 minute in crude. This trade originated here on the Crable break at 07. 7 handles. All right, guys, I'm going to eat breakfast. I'll be gold on the 3 minute, guys. It's a service I pay for. Gold on the open is up 2,600. On the 3 minute chart, up 2,600, fellas. 3-minute. We broke the Crable, opening 30-minute range. Let's see if we can do anything with it. And we're pulling back. I don't think we're coming far. Come on down, buddy. Little bit more. ES is headed to 89, 88, 89.
Target filled.
There's first target. It's gone break even +1. There is a lot of support around 89, fellas. I mean, a lot. All the way down to 70. So bot has gone break even +1. Okay. First target's off, 87 ticks on the bot. Again, I'm only running 3 minutes. The crude bot is still in that trade. Hasn't done a darn thing. It's trying to push up here. Crude is still long. Has neither gone to target or stop out. I missed the long on the NASDAQ. So crude reversed into a short and got first target. And now it went break even +1. Okay. RB trying to get up off the mat, but I don't think so. I'll give you guys some totals. Okay. So we've got the long here. Let me give you guys totals. Gold on the 377, I took one trade with it. That was the first trade after 8 a.m. $300. Gold on the bot on the 3-minute, damn, we just blew up. Up 26.10. Knew we were going higher, can see it. Russell on the 3-minute up 1,055. No trades in silver today. I've shut it off. Crude on the 3-minute is down 180. That's off. Down $180. And bonds currently in a short, underwater, but not to stop yet. Hasn't gone to stop. Okay. And again, for the record, yesterday, gold finished up $100. It was down. It had a trade on at the end. I'll leave that NASDAQ trade on. On my live account, I'm done trading here. My personal account up 724. And on the leader follower, up 105. I took a trade on the NASDAQ, and this is the second time I've complained about the NASDAQ. In the leader follower, there is literally a 3-second delay before it fills an order. And it ain't that many contracts. So by the time it filled the trade, I had a losing trade. It literally, the delay is astronomical. In any event, the ES trades are winners, and the one NASDAQ trade is a loser. But I'm green. I'll find another trade today to get me to my daily goal. Do I have anybody in the room at this point that's down, losing money? Is there anybody losing money? I think I think we're going to see at least 33 on the ES today. At least 33. Maybe back to 34 areas. Is there anybody losing money? I have nobody losing money.
Order supporter filled.
Well, I'm telling you, we're longs on the ES, I would think, guys, up to 33, 34. ES just needs to push up through 2350, and it goes again. ES needs one more push. Senator Rubio wants to see an immediate increase on the paycheck, and we got that push up to 24, and it doesn't go. Should. Nope. Come on, dude. Go get 33. Come on, one more 15 range. Let's go. That'll do it. Now we're stuck at 22. It's got to come through 2250, and that should be it. If anybody's interested, you're going to sit with this trade. It's that time of day, guys. They need another 200 to 250 billion dollars. If we get through 2250 and then we get another 15 range, this will go. I don't know where. Let's see here. 19 quarter, 21 2, 23 quarter. 23 quarter, this pops again. 23 quarter. That would be another entry. NASDAQ's pulling back. We're going to pull back. That time of day, guys.
Order supporter filled.
Look at. We crawled back through the opening range low.